Remember when your first car cost you $15,000 and you thought that was expensive? Back then, that price felt like a stretch, something you had to save for, maybe finance, maybe argue about at the dinner table. Now imagine buying a brand new Tesla for $12,749. Not used, not stripped down, not some experimental shell. A real, fully engineered, mass-produced Tesla, designed from the ground up to last decades. That number alone should make you pause, because it represents more than just a cheaper car. It represents the collapse of an entire industry model that has quietly drained your wallet for decades. Pilot production lines are already running at Giga Texas. This isn't speculation anymore. These are not renders or leaked patents. Real prototypes are driving on California highways right now, blending into traffic, gathering millions of miles of real-world data. Tesla's official reveal is scheduled for the second quarter of 2026. First delivery is expected in August of that year. That's only 8 months away. 8 months from now, the automotive world will look very different. Whether traditional automakers are ready or not, this is not just a cheaper Tesla. It is a complete rethinking of what a car should be, how it should be built, how long it should last, and how much it should cost you over your lifetime. There are 7 engineering breakthroughs built into this vehicle, each one quietly dismantling the assumptions you've been sold for decades. Assumptions like oil changes being normal, brake replacements being inevitable, dealerships being necessary, and constant maintenance being the price you pay for. Mobility. But here's the uncomfortable truth that most car reviewers won't tell you, because it doesn't make good advertising for legacy brands. The average American over the age of 55 spends about $9,400 every single year on car ownership. That includes insurance, fuel, maintenance, repairs, registration, and the unexpected breakdowns that always seem to happen at the worst possible time. Over 10 years, that's $94,000. $94,000. It's just to keep a depreciating asset on the road. Now think about the car you're probably driving right now. Maybe it's a 2018 Honda Accord. You bought it for around $28,000. Today, if you're lucky, it might be worth $14,000. You lost half of your investment in 6 years, and that's before counting fuel. Oil changes, tires, brakes, transmission service, and repairs that never seem to stop. Every month, money leaves your account, and nothing about that car gets better. It only gets older, noisier, and more expensive to maintain. The Model 2 flips this equation completely upside down. It challenges the idea that a car must be a financial liability. It challenges the belief that vehicles must be replaced every 7 to 10 years. It challenges the entire dealership-based ownership model. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why this vehicle might genuinely be the last car you ever need to buy. If you're over 50, like most of the people watching right now, one of these breakthroughs was designed specifically for you. It eliminates the most frustrating, time-wasting, and expensive parts of car ownership that people eventually grow tired of. And by the time you understand what Tesla has actually built here, you'll see why every other automaker is quietly terrified. It starts with the foundation of the car itself, the chassis. For decades, vehicles have been built using hundreds of stamped steel parts, welded together, bolted together, layered, reinforced, and patched into a structure that inevitably loosens, creaks, and flexes over time. Tesla threw that entire process away. The Model 2 uses Tesla's unboxed manufacturing process, a system that cuts production costs by 50% and reduces factory floor space by 40%. Instead of assembling a car piece by piece like a puzzle, Tesla manufactures major sections independently and then brings them together in a final assembly step. At the heart of this process is a 9,000-ton gigacasting machine. One machine replaces 70 separate stamped parts. No welds, no bolts, no seams that can loosen or fail over time. The result is a single, solid piece of aerospace-grade aluminum alloy with a tensile strength of 450 megapascals. That is stronger than the steel frames used in most compact cars on the road today. Each casting cycle takes only 80 to 90 seconds. That means Tesla can produce 40 to 45 complete chassis sections every hour. With near-perfect consistency, the structural battery pack is not just bolted underneath like an afterthought. It becomes the load-bearing floor of the car, distributing crash forces across the entire structure the way a fighter jet fuselage does. This design dramatically increases torsional stiffness, reaching 45,000 Newton meters per degree. That is 30% stiffer than the Model 3 and literally double the stiffness of a Honda, Civic, or Toyota Corolla. What does that mean in real life? It means less flex when cornering. It means doors that still close perfectly after 200,000 miles. It means no rattles, no squeaks, no mysterious vibrations that dealerships can never seem to diagnose. It means a car that feels solid not just when it's new, but 10, 15, even 20 years later. The entire body structure weighs only 220 to 240 kilograms. That's 25 to 35 kilograms lighter than traditional construction methods. Less weight means lower energy consumption, especially at highway speeds, cutting energy use by 2 to 4%. It also means lower interior noise, with cabin sound levels between 64 and 66 decibels. That's quieter than most living rooms in crash testing. Its chassis absorbs impact energy equivalent to an SUV, hitting you at 37 miles per hour, while maintaining a completely intact passenger cell. This is safety engineering you would expect in a $60,000 vehicle, delivered in a car that costs $12,749. That alone should make you question everything you've been told about affordable cars. And that's just the beginning. For years, one of the most frustrating aspects of Tesla ownership has been phantom braking. The sudden, unexplained braking events that could happen at highway speeds, turning what should be a relaxing drive into a stressful experience. Dangerous, embarrassing. A black mark on Tesla's reputation. The Model 2 addresses this head-on with full self-driving. Supervised version E, part of Tesla's latest 2025 holiday software update. This system uses 10 times more neural network parameters than earlier versions and has been trained on millions of miles of real-world driving data. The sensor suite is dramatically upgraded. 12 high-resolution cameras provide full 360-degree vision. An upgraded millimeter-wave radar delivers 50% greater precision than previous versions. Ultrasonic sensors handle close-range parking and obstacle detection. And for the first time in an affordable Tesla, a short-range LiDAR unit is integrated into the front bumper, adding another layer of depth perception. All of this data feeds into an advanced neural network with triple-layer cross-verification. Cameras identify objects and read road signs. Radar measures exact distances and relative speeds. Artificial intelligence predicts what other vehicles and pedestrians are likely to do next. This isn't reactive driving. It's predictive driving. After 180,000 kilometers of real-world testing across rush-hour traffic, construction zones, poor weather, and complex urban environments, phantom braking was eliminated entirely. 0 false stops. Not reduced. Not improved, eliminated. For commuters in cities like Los Angeles, San Diego, and the Bay Area, this changes everything. Stop-and-go traffic becomes manageable instead of exhausting. Long drives become calmer. The constant vigilance required to supervise older systems is replaced by genuine confidence. New features include arrival options that allow the car to adjust how it parks based on your preferences, smoother lane transitions, and more natural braking behavior that mirrors experienced human drivers. The system learns continuously, improving over time through over-the-air updates without you ever visiting a service center. Then there's the powertrain. Traditional cars rely on hundreds of moving parts that wear down over time. Pistons, valves, belts, pumps, transmissions with complex gear sets. Each one is a potential failure point. Each one requires maintenance. Each one eventually breaks. The Model 2 uses a simplified electric drivetrain with fewer than 20 moving parts. No oil changes. No transmission fluid. No exhaust system. No catalytic converter. No timing belt. Regenerative braking handles most deceleration, meaning brake pads can last hundreds of thousands of miles. The motor itself is designed for extreme longevity, Using a new silicon carbide inverter and advanced thermal management to reduce heat stress, Tesla engineers expect the drivetrain to last well over 1 million miles before requiring significant service. That's not marketing hype. That's based on real-world fleet data. Charging is optimized for everyday life. The battery chemistry prioritizes long cycle life over maximum range, allowing frequent charging to 80 or 90% without degradation concerns. For most drivers, overnight home charging is more than enough. You wake up every morning with a full tank, without ever visiting a gas station again. Insurance costs are also lower. The Model 2's safety systems reduce accident rates, and Tesla's integrated insurance model rewards safe driving with lower premiums. Combined with minimal maintenance and low energy costs, total ownership expenses drop dramatically. And then there's the interior. Instead of luxury materials that wear poorly over time, Tesla chose durability. Surfaces are stain-resistant, easy to clean, and designed to look good after years of use. The seats are optimized for long-term comfort, especially for older drivers who value support over aggressive bolstering. The infotainment system is simplified but powerful. Large, clear text. Voice controls that actually work. Navigation that factors in charging, traffic, and weather automatically. No clutter. No confusion. No unnecessary complexity. One breakthrough in particular was designed specifically for drivers who are done wasting time and money, service, or more accurately, the lack of it. The Model 2 is engineered to require almost no routine service. Software updates happen automatically. Diagnostics run continuously. If something does go wrong, the car tells you exactly what it is. Often before you notice any symptoms, Tesla's mobile service model means most repairs are handled in your driveway. No dealerships. No waiting rooms. No upselling. No wasted afternoons. For many owners, this alone is worth switching. When you add everything together, the picture becomes clear. This isn't just a car. It's a long-term financial strategy. A way to stop bleeding money into a depreciating asset. A way to regain control over transportation costs in a world where everything else keeps getting more expensive. For decades, automakers have relied on complexity, planned obsolescence, and dependency. Tesla is doing the opposite. Simplicity, durability, independence. That's why other automakers are terrified. They can't match this price without destroying their margins. They can't match this efficiency without rebuilding their factories from scratch. And they can't match this software without completely changing how they think about vehicles. The Model 2 isn't just entering the market, it's rewriting the rules. And once those rules change, there's no going back.